Hello, people. Are these same birds? Have you ever watched different birds flying together? If that happens, then that would be really amazing. Birds of a feather stick together, or birds of a feather flock together, is an old proverb, which means people with common interests, tastes, or characteristics stick together. Example sentence is my two colleagues are birds of a feather. They both like drinking and gossiping. I've taken two synonyms here, which are like attracts like. Another one, like likes like. Happy learning. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe.